Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today we're going to be doing some live trading. We're looking at the 1 minute chart. As you can see, we actually had some divergence. Okay, what I'm going to be looking for is this is our kickback right back up here. I'm actually going to look for a short right about here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop right on the other side of these highs. Right, I'm going to look for 475. So I'm going to take 3 trades, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually scale into these 3 trades, right? If price does go back up, because I'm looking for price to potentially come up to the upside, but we also have another divergence potentially setting up right here. No, to wait. What we need to see is if we zoom in, okay, we need price to break below here to confirm that divergence. But so far we have a reverse waterfall, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're making higher lows, okay? But if this breaks lower, then this could be our potential. So let's kind of look at the chart a little different, but as far as we know, the market is trending higher, and until that's done, remember, our job as a trader is to kind of predict what potentially could happen, and that's what I'm looking for. So if it does reverse, I'm going to look for a quick little scalp right this 34.47.50 level, but price has to break below, and this will be a quick little scalp trade where I'm gonna look for like maybe 2 ticks. That's it for this type of trade. So there's the reversal. I'm gonna move this guy up. I'm actually gonna move this guy just 1 penny above, or 1 tick above, to 48 even. So I'm looking for price to come here, pull back. I'm essentially risking 2 ticks to make 2 ticks. And what I want to see is price come right back up to this level and then just pull back. And my stop is right happens. If you saw my other video from a couple days ago, this is actually the same day where I took 10 tick loss, $250. Right, or sorry, $150, not $250. So because every 4 ticks is $50, right? Or sorry, 10 ticks is 125. Still trying to do the math. It's still early in the morning for me, but this is just a continuation of that same trading day. So I'm going to try and do a few videos like this, so we'll see them stretched out over the next week or 2. I'm showing you the good and the bad of the trading. I'm just trying to show you guys how to really scalp and look at this. Okay, here's our book map. We could see there's really no, all of a sudden this guy just came in, right? This is a support. Again, if you want to check out Bookmap, it's essentially level 2 drawn out for us, but that's it. There's a link down below in the description for a free trial, so check it out if you guys want. But again, we're looking for a quick little kickback, and this is a smash and grab trade, and it's essentially risking 1 to make 1. All I want to see is price come to this level, stall, and pull back real quick. Hopefully fill me. Okay, boom, bunch of contracts went off. I'm looking for a pullback here. Okay, we got 1 tick. I'm trying to get filled right here. Come on. It's touching. No fill yet. Boom. Okay, there we go. 2 ticks. We made back 2 of our ticks, right? This is a perfect divergence trade setup. That is my bread and butter. This is one thing that I've done. Learn one thing and become very, very good at that one thing. Okay, that is what I have kind of learned over my 18 years of trading, is become a master of one thing. 10,000 hours, right? Kind of like Bruce Lee would talk about the 10,000 hour rule. Rather do one kick 10,000 times, master that one kick, than learn 10,000 kicks and only do them one time. I feel the same thing with the market. If you look for one pattern and you watch it every single day of your life, trading day, whatever, and you just really get in tune with it and understand what the market is, after 5 years, you're going to sit there and go, wow, I see this so clearly. That's the way it is for me with all these trades. So I hope this video is helping you guys. I'm actually going to kill this video or end it and see what happens with my next trade. So I'll make another video to see if we get filled on these. But as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Link down below for Bookmap and the platforms I use. I use Stage 5. I love them. I've been with them for years. Great platform. Same with Thinkorswim for all my charting. But as for now, that's it. And thank you as always for watching. And want to know something? Yeah, I'll make another video for this one. So sounds good. Have a good day. Thank you.